You are staring at a mountain of textbooks and wondering how to conquer the NEET exam. It feels overwhelming because you are looking at the entire syllabus at once. The secret is not to study harder but to study smarter by breaking that mountain into small, climbable hills. Start by creating a weekly planner. Divide your day into 3 blocks for biology, chemistry, and physics. Do not try to learn everything in one sitting. Use spaced repetition, which means reviewing the same topic at increasing intervals of time. When you take notes, avoid copying entire paragraphs. Write only key concepts and formulas. Use diagrams to connect ideas visually. If you can draw a process, you understand it better than if you just describe it. To make learning active, use flashcards and practice questions. Instead of passively reading your textbook, test yourself constantly. Create concept maps that show how different chapters link together. This turns your study time into a workout for your brain. Manage your time using the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents burnout. A sample day might look like 4 blocks of focused study in the morning and a review session in the evening. Not all chapters are equal. Look at a weightage chart to see which topics appear most often on the exam. Focus your energy on these high-yield areas first. You want to master the topics that give you the most points for your effort. Take mock tests regularly. The goal is not just to see your score but to perform an error analysis. Look at every question you got wrong and ask yourself why. Was it a calculation error or a gap in your knowledge? Fixing these mistakes is where the real improvement happens. Keep your body and mind ready by prioritizing sleep and nutrition. Practice deep breathing when you feel stressed. A calm mind processes information much faster than an anxious one. Your final checklist is simple. Revise your notes, solve previous year's papers, and get enough rest. You have the tools to succeed. Take it one step at a time. Stay consistent, and you will reach your goal. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.